Every year, our planet experiences over 1 million earthquakes. Most go unnoticed, but some unleash enough power to level cities. It all begins at a fault, a crack where tectonic plates get stuck. They don't slide smoothly. For decades or even centuries, they lock in place while the Earth's mantle relentlessly pushes. This builds up incredible strain, like stretching a rubber band to its breaking point. When the rock finally snaps, energy explodes outward. The breakpoint deep underground is the focus. Directly above it, on the surface, is the epicenter, where the most violent shaking often occurs. This energy travels as seismic waves. First comes a sudden thump, the P wave. The real shaking begins moments later with the side-to-side S waves. But the true destroyers are the surface waves. They are the slowest, but they roll along the ground like an ocean swell, lifting and shattering buildings. We measure this power in two ways. Magnitude on the Richter scale is all about the energy released, and it's a logarithmic scale. A magnitude 7 quake has 10 times the shaking power of a 6. But intensity on the Mercalli scale measures the damage you can see. A huge quake in an empty desert has high magnitude but low intensity. And when that snap happens under the ocean, it can violently shove the entire column of water upwards. This creates a tsunami. In deep water, it travels as fast as a jet plane, almost invisible. But as it reaches the shore, it piles up into an unstoppable wall of water. From a tiny crack in the rock to a wave crossing an ocean, an earthquake is the sudden, violent result of centuries of silent pressure.